Welcome back everyone. I am back with another outdoor grilling video. This time we'll be making grilled garlic fish with grilled veggies. This recipe is very quick with only few ingredients which are always available in our kitchen. So let's get started. For this recipe, we'll be using swordfish. Swordfish is a mild white-fleshed fish with meaty texture. Swordfish steaks are excellent source of selenium, a micronutrient that offers important cancer fighting and heart health benefits. It is protein rich and best of all it's low in fat and calories. If you cannot get your hands on swordfish, then you can substitute it with tuna, halibut or salmon. We'll start marinating the fish by adding salt first and rubbing it evenly on all sides. Then we'll add 2 tablespoons of red chili flakes, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped garlic, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, and a tablespoon of olive oil. Coat it evenly and then we'll marinate the fish for 1 hour. You can also marinate it overnight because longer the fish marinates, the more intense the flavor will be. We'll keep the fish aside and start seasoning our veggies. I have sweet peppers and tomatoes on hand, so I'll use them. Otherwise, you can also grill veggies of your choice. We'll cut off the heads and remove seeds from inside of the peppers. Season with some salt, lemon juice, a tablespoon of thyme, olive oil, and some black pepper. Coat the veggies with seasoning and then our veggies are ready to be grilled. Now thread these sweet peppers and tomatoes on skewers. Lightly oil the grill before adding fish to prevent sticking. I am very grateful for the outdoor space we have, which is a great antidote to the social isolation we are encountering due to global pandemic, when we are not able to visit our friends and family as much as we used to. Kids can move around and play in safely here, making us happier with positive outlook. Let's start placing the fish on the grill and we'll cook it on one side for 5 to 7 minutes and then we'll flip it. When the fish is half done, we'll place the veggies on the grill. They'll not take long to cook. Keep on rotating the skewers to avoid veggies from burning. Our fish is all done. We'll keep it aside from fire and cook our garlic bread to go along with the fish to complete our meal. Now that our fish and veggies are ready, let's plate them. If you liked today's video, then please share this video with your friends and family and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more interesting videos. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching.